Federal lawmakers are now calling for an investigation into the working conditions at the U.S. Post Office.
They're specifically asking for the Inspector General to look into the way the Christmas blizzard was handled here in Buffalo. News 4's Marley Tuskus has been looking into this for us. Marley?
Don and Jackie, after hearing from several mail carriers, local lawmakers say it's time for USPS officials to look into the life-threatening situations workers had to deal with during that December blizzard. Congressman Brian Higgins, along with Senators Chuck Schumer and Kirsten Gillibrand, detailed situations some postal workers dealt with. One story involved a mail carrier who was 8 months pregnant and forced to work the day that the blizzard started. She got stuck in an attempt to drive home. She had to be rescued by volunteer firefighters. Higgins says there are many stories like hers, which is why he's demanding the Postmaster General and Inspector General to investigate these claims and do something about them.
These individuals were forced to go on the streets, and that's wrong. It's wrong morally. It's wrong relative to the health and safety of our public workers, our postal workers, our letter carriers, and they are deserving of answers, and we're going to keep pushing until we get answers.
Higgins says one of the things that must come out of this is an extreme winter weather safety plan that can be applied in areas like Western New York, where winter storms are the norm. He says he also wants to make sure the workers who were put in dangerous situations were compensated and then received the necessary counseling, and that the managers who put them in these situations are held accountable. In the studio, Marley Tuskus, News 4.